LNF. That is from Alan from London. Alan, you're lucky to be in London, it looks like. You don't want to be over here, Alan. You don't want to be over here. Stick with London. All right, LNTH is looking really bullish, classic bullish chart. You guys know I'm going to say, I wish there was some more volume building as we continue to make these bull flags, but enough said. We're claiming these nice Fibonacci levels. I am looking at an upside here, Alan, to 95 in LNTH. Still very bullish. If you're in it, don't see any reason to sell. Supply and demand is checking out. Crowdstrike, I've been loving this stock. It's a great trader, sticking above its point of control. It actually had the volume profile just shift higher recently. So the chart is continuing to look bullish. We do have a little thin zone. I would day trade this, 134.20. Day trade it or stick into a little swing trade, overnight swing trade in CrowdStrike. Your upside here is 134. If you want to wait for a nice confirmation of a breakout up to the 200-day moving average at 145. But CrowdStrike, very bullish. Next up, can we talk about the bombshell that we had yesterday? Mark Sebastian is the bomb squad. We are the bomb squad. That's what they're calling us. We traded with the bombshell indicator, already catching this move to the downside at about 3:30. I had a lot of signals saying, guys, we need
the bomb detector.
The bomb detector.
Yes.
I don't know, Mark.
That's what bomb squads have, the metal detector, All right, we'll keep working.
True.
We're still working on
it. We'll get the gear. But anyway, Mark, this was epic. We had our closers already on the right side of the trade well before our bombshells usually kick in. But we had some follow through with the bombshell as well. This was major. This was a major move. I believe some of our closers went into 50 cents and closed out at $4. It was just insane. But Mark, being the bomb squad, we really like trading these with SPX. Absolutely gorgeous trade. And thank you for introducing that to the closers as well. We're looking at LNTH to the upside, CrowdStrike to the upside. Do you see any big money flow or trades that we can have some fun?
It's Holdings is not one that I've looked at before. CrowdStrike is an interesting one. It just came off, that really ugly candle. Seems to have found its footing. No big huge flow in this one, but Boz, if you're bullish, let's see, they've got earnings. They don't have earnings till June, so the earnings are done with. Stock's 130. How quick of a move are we looking for?
I would say
where are we
within the next week.
And where are we
We're aiming 135.
All right, well that's easy then. We're gonna buy the 130. The 130 calls are gonna cost us about $3.80. Actually, wow, it's up. It's already trading 132 this morning. So the 132 calls are gonna be about $3.80, $3.75. We'll sell the 137 calls. Those are gonna net us about $1.80. So we're gonna pay $2 for the 132, 137 call spread. Pays $3 for a $2 bet. Relatively, a little meatier here, but it's an expensive stock, and that's why you're getting something like that. Not my favorite play. This is not, I'd have to love CrowdStrike to get on board with this, but this is for regular April, so it's a 9-day trade. Just the ball's juicy here. It's the best, but this is the best I'm going to be able to come up with.
Okay, all right. We need to. I could hear the music like beep beep beep. The bomb squad is here. Oh man, we're gonna have fun with this.
That was awesome.
That was really awesome. And again, trade the close with me with us. It's a rip roaring experience. Mark, do you have any big money flow for us today?
You know what? I do have some big money flow for you today.
I do like to.
Yeah, no, this is a nice one. We're looking at KGC. This is Kinross Gold Corp. And this is when the story of this is, when is a bearish trade not a bearish trade? And the answer is when it's done with stock. And what we have here is a trader that seemingly is bearish. They bought 15,000 of the 5 puts to sell 30,000 of the um, the 3.5 puts, net paying 35 cents for that put 1x2. Normally, you would, if you just saw this on your own and you don't know what to look for, you'd be looking, oh, this trader thinks it's going to $3.5. Nope,
Yeah.
because the trader bought stock with it. And so they bought 360,000 shares for $5.07 at the time. My theory, and I'm pretty sure I'm right, is they're already long some underneath, and this is done almost 1-to-1. This is owned almost 1-to-1 with stock. Therefore, they're just
Mm.
trying to cheapen their hedge. And this is straight hedge, and they're actually looking for Kinross to go higher, not lower.
I was going to say, Mark, when you said puts, teeing up with this chart here, this chart looks so bullish. I'm looking at
I know.
$6 in KGC. And that's why you need Mark. Yes, we have your money flow, but we need you to tell us, what does this money flow mean? Because if you to a greenhorn, it looks bearish, but when you do the
that's the
real
whole
market
thing
digging,
you have these flow services that sit there and tell you, oh yeah, well, there's this, there's that. They have no idea what's actually happening, right?
yeah, I know.
You have to dig and investigate. And I go through a whole system on every trade that I do to figure out what is actually happening here. I reach out to my brokers on the floor when I need more information. Normally, I can get it out of my scanners. And so, if you follow big money flow on every trade, you are going to get your lunch handed to you because 90% of trades are not Delta 1 trades. Now, Delta 1 means it's a straight bet on direction. They're almost always
Yeah.
done with stock, or there's something underneath going on. And if you don't know what to look for and you hop on, let's say in a KGC, you go and buy puts, you are probably going to lose because this trader thinks it's going up, not down.
Yes,
And
exactly.
that's really the key to what we do at Inside Money Trader.